Greetings, financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Financial Context channel, your guiding light in the pursuit of financial enlightenment. Today, our focus is on a transformative lesson from an inspiring book that has reshaped financial perspectives, Rich Dad Poor Dad. This book advocates for prosperity by encouraging a shift from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mentality. Embracing positivity and believing in one's potential to create wealth might open the doors to unforeseen possibilities. Let's dive into the world of mindset development and uncover the keys to cultivating abundance for wealth creation. The wisdom we're exploring today asserts, Rich Dad Poor Dad recommends moving from a scarcity attitude to an abundance mentality. Positivity and belief in one's potential to produce riches might attract possibilities. In this episode, we'll unravel the profound insights from this financial masterpiece on the transformative power of developing an abundant mindset. 1. The power of mindset in wealth creation. To harness the power of mindset in wealth creation, the strategy is to start with self-awareness. Understand your current mindset and identify any limiting beliefs. Practice mindfulness to catch negative thoughts and replace them with empowering ones. Cultivate a positive and growth-oriented mindset to set the foundation for financial success. 2. Abundance mentality unveiled. Abundance mentality is about shifting your perspective from scarcity to abundance. The strategy involves recognizing and appreciating the abundance already present in your life. Practice reframing challenges as opportunities. Visualize success and abundance regularly to reinforce the belief that there is more than enough for everyone. 3. Positive energy and wealth attraction. Positive energy is a magnet for wealth. The strategy here is to consciously choose positivity. Surround yourself with uplifting influences, practice gratitude daily, and engage in activities that bring joy. By radiating positive energy, you not only attract financial opportunities but also enhance your overall well-being. 4. Overcoming scarcity thinking. Overcoming scarcity thinking requires a mindset shift. The strategy is to challenge and reframe limiting beliefs about scarcity. Actively replace thoughts of lack with thoughts of abundance. Focus on solutions rather than problems. By changing your mental narrative, you pave the way for a mindset that attracts abundance. 5. Belief in personal potential. Believing in your personal potential is a cornerstone of an abundance mindset. The strategy involves setting realistic yet ambitious goals. Challenge self-doubt by celebrating small victories. Surround yourself with positive role models who inspire belief in what is possible. Cultivate a mindset that sees challenges as stepping stones to success. 6. Attracting opportunities through abundance. Abundance attracts abundance. The strategy is to shift your focus from scarcity-driven fears to abundance-driven opportunities. Actively seek and create opportunities by networking, staying open-minded, and continuously learning. By embracing an abundance mindset, you position yourself to attract and capitalize on wealth-building opportunities. 7. Practicing gratitude in wealth building. Gratitude is a powerful tool for wealth building. The strategy involves incorporating daily gratitude practices. Keep a gratitude journal, expressing appreciation for both small and significant aspects of your life. By acknowledging and appreciating what you have, you amplify positive energy and create a mindset conducive to attracting wealth. 8. Practical steps to abundance mindset development. Let's conclude with practical steps to develop an abundance mindset. The strategy includes daily practices like visualization, affirmations, and intentional positivity. Visualize your financial goals regularly, repeat affirmations that reinforce abundance, and surround yourself with positive influences. These actions, consistently applied, contribute to the gradual development of an abundance mindset. In conclusion, developing an abundant mindset is a transformative key to unlocking wealth. By shifting from scarcity to abundance, cultivating positive energy, and believing in one's potential, individuals can attract opportunities and propel themselves towards financial success. If you found this video enlightening, show your support by giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your financially savvy friends, and subscribing for a continuous stream of empowering content. And, of course, check out the links in the description for a curated list of useful financial products that can aid you on your financial journey. Thanks for joining us on the Financial Context channel. Embrace the journey of cultivating an abundant mindset inspired by Rich Dad Poor Dad. Stay financially astute, and we look forward to connecting with you in the upcoming episode.